want to do as HHS Secretary is a couple of things. One is to have gold standard science. The science has been captured by the pharmaceutical industry and private industry, and also by regulators who don't want to be questioned. And so the scientific journals are compromised because the pharmaceutical companies pay all their expenses and all of their profits. The medical schools are compromised by payments from the pharmaceutical industry and from NIH. And all the institutions, the AMA, the AAP, are all now captured agencies. They're promoting not public health, but they're promoting the mercantile interests of pharmaceutical companies and other companies within the medical industry. And we have a sick care system as a result rather than a health care system.